Hey, Mason.
Okay, I got this bag.
What are you doing?
Have a little suitcase.
Let me see.
This way.
Who's on it?
It's Marshall, Robo, and Chase.
Yay. Where we going today?
The pool.
Pool, say it's called Great Wolf Lodge.
Slide pool.
Say Great Wolf Lodge.
Good flash.
Great
Great
Wolf
Wolf
Lodge.
Lodge.
Yay.
Yes.
Is this your first time going there?
Yes.
Are you gonna have fun?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yay!
We're going to Great Wolf Lodge. Are you excited?
Daddy, that's a weapon.
Why are you so hyped for?
I'm excited.
What are you excited for?
I'm excited for the pool.
The pool?
Yeah.
You seen it?
Yeah.
Is it big?
Yeah.
How big?
You having fun? Which one you like best?
Mace, what are you? Who are you?
Captain America.
Let me see you throw your. Ooh, let me see your shield.
How about you hold it?
Kenzie, where are you?
A cheerleader.
What school is that? You know?
No.
Texas. was your best part? You went on the water rides?
Werewolf Park.
How you was doing the werewolf?
Ooh.
Thumbs up? Yeah. Would you come back? Alright. Say bye, Great Wolf Lodge.
Bye, baby.